What's up, guys? So this is my project. I called it Dark. Basically, for going dark to like an encrypted channel or cease of open communication. So it's pretty much going to be like a Slack clone where you'd have channels as a user, and it'd be private per whoever's in those channels. And the main thing though here, which I couldn't get to work in the chat part, but I was able to get the encryption process working. So the main principle of this would be, in your chat, everything would be encrypted if you did not have a key placed into your chat like master. So without that key, everything on your screen would just show up as random, some type of encryption. And as a channel master, you'd be able to set the key for your channel. So this one's a rotation 13. So it moves 13 letters in the alphabet that you give it. So here would be the encryption that you would see if you didn't have the key in your chat set up. And what's cool about this API that I found, which really isn't an API, it was just someone's GitHub project that they strung all these encryptions together. But you can add different things within the pipeline of your encryption. So by adding more and more, you can get more complex within your encryption for your channel. And one of the problems I found when working with this was that it's a single pipeline. So however it gets encoded, it has to be decoded the reverse of that and come through the pipeline in the exact order. Otherwise, the text is changing on both ends. So if one side gets decoded earlier, then what you're going to get on the other end is not going to be the same message you put in. And so a little bit in the code here. This is what I finally got able to work. So basically, I will be putting these encoders within the chat. So the user will set their encryption key, and this will be some crazy encryption key, or however complex you want it. And you type in your message, and basically here's where that hello world in the code came up. So you just see encryptions. And for people who are paranoid, or maybe you're sending passwords or confidential information, but you want to channel with your team, and you just want to make sure that's secure, and if someone leaves their laptop open, they can clear the key and no one will be able to peek in and see your passwords or whatever. But yeah, that's basically it.